Hi, this is Brad Wilson from Kindle Book Generator and Create Book Covers. I'm working on a project for a customer of mine who wants to do word grid games. So I went ahead and developed a module or routine for her to be able to create all the images, and she does have a lot. So it came to me that it would be a good idea to just go ahead and do a batch generation of them all. And the tool that I've been developing called Create Book Covers is capable of generating images, and I went ahead and extended the capability to do an automated process of multiple images at the same time based on the template. Create Book Covers is going to be unique in the fact that it doesn't just create one image at a time. It can also create multiple images based on the settings that you give it and the template used. So it's just a matter of making it as simple as possible to use. So this is what the whole idea is with this batch generate of the word grids. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that real quickly, and I'm not going to explain every little piece because it might take way too long, but basically I'm going to go ahead and just give it a title. I'm going to enter whatever the text I want at the top, and then a list of the words that I want in the word grid, and each letter is going to be is going to be available based on the question and answer, and so persons have to guess the word based on whatever hint is given. So that's basically the gist of the whole thing. And then you have how many columns you want, select the number of letters or columns, which letter do you want to remain, and that might be a blank all letters, randomize the letters, first letter, second letter, third letter, and the other ones don't apply for the three letters. Then I have the feature we're going to be able to merge the images together. Now, if that might not work for all of them, in fact, for a Kindle device, probably limited to how many rows are available and what size of what device you want to target. And I also have an image quality. You can also reduce it because it's very important to make sure that the images aren't too large. So anyways, that's basically the premise behind this. So I went ahead and just inserted the data in this area right here. Do you want to format that data into the way that this system can read it? So I can go ahead and click that, and it will go ahead. Oops, I need to actually add a demo. This is just for the video. It will be different on the website when it's working, but you need an access code. If you don't have it, it'll just do that. So if you go ahead and click it, it'll go ahead and format it. Now, these are the auto settings that I have internal to the template. It's not really important that you need to understand it. It's just important for the system to understand, and that basically just matches what you've entered here. It's just three letters, which select question letter that you want to remain, and then if it's going to be merged or not, and then there's a little character at the end. That is not editable. That's just for your information if you want to carry that later, and I'll show you that you can actually make this into a template where you can do multiple images at the same time. So I'm not going to go I'm going to demonstrate it later, so I'm not going to demonstrate it right now. So anyways, the format that it comes through is it go ahead and pre-formats the information into a form that this system can use. Well, it's just giving that so you can see it. If you want to save it, that's great. All you need to do is just generate the image, and it'll take a little bit. Boom, there, it's done. And then you can go ahead and download it, and go ahead and save it, and there it is. Extract it right here, and the images are right there, and that's what it's going to look like once it's done. Go to the first one. So there you go. The first letter is given. You can also do randomize or the second or the third, but basically that's it for you. And then you can go ahead and make modifications as you want. You can make it the second letter, the third letter, randomize. You can put any data that you want, any words that you want, and it'll make the word grid. That's the basic, simplest form of that, and that we're done for this video. Thank you very much.